Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best home security cameras on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Blink Mini. Amazon's Blink Mini security camera offers an affordable option in the competitive world of smart home security. While it competes with the likes of Wyze Labs, it's important to note that the Blink Mini is designed for indoor use only. Like other affordable cameras, it doesn't support battery power and requires an AC power source. Additionally, to access cloud storage, a subscription plan is necessary. On the bright side, local storage is an option when using the Blink Sync module too, making it a flexible choice for users with multiple Blink cameras. With its ease of installation and Alexa compatibility, this camera is an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their home security without breaking the bank. Number 2. Google Nest Cam. Nest, renowned for its quality security cameras, introduced the Nest Cam battery in 2021, and it lives up to its reputation. Setting up this camera is a breeze, and it excels in various lighting conditions. It offers great flexibility as it can be used both indoors and outdoors. However, one minor drawback is the length of the cable, which might not be sufficient for outdoor installations. What sets this camera apart is its generous 3-hour event history storage directly on the device, a feature that could save you the cost of a subscription if you don't require more extensive historical data. Overall, the Nest Cam battery is a compelling security solution that balances performance and user-friendliness, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to bolster their home security. Number 3. Wyze Battery Cam Pro. Wyze has delivered exceptional value with its versatile indoor/outdoor security camera, boasting impressive features such as color night vision, a long-lasting rechargeable battery, and high-quality 2K video resolution. What sets this camera apart is its affordable price tag, making it an attractive option for security-conscious individuals. During our review, we did encounter a couple of minor bugs, but these were not major issues and were addressed promptly. If you're willing to tolerate minor hiccups in a shipping product, you'll be rewarded with a feature-packed camera that offers excellent performance and customization options. Wyze's offering is a compelling choice for those looking to enhance their security without breaking the bank. Number 4. Eufy Floodlight Cam 2 Pro. The Eufy Floodlight Cam 2 Pro enters the market as a feature-rich and versatile security camera, setting itself apart with 3 powerful floodlights, providing a combined brightness of 3,000 lumens. Despite its somewhat unconventional design and a higher upfront cost compared to competitors, the Eufy Floodlight Cam 2 Pro offers a compelling value proposition. One standout feature is the absence of a subscription requirement, which makes it a cost-effective choice in the long term. While its appearance may not be the most aesthetically pleasing, its performance and customizable settings make it a reliable option for enhancing home security. Number 5. Ring Spotlight Cam Pro. The Ring Spotlight Cam is a versatile security solution, combining a 1080p camera with a 576 lumen spotlight that can illuminate specific areas around your home. While the bird's eye view feature may not fully deliver on its promises, the pre-roll view is a valuable addition. It's essential to note that these 2 features cannot be enabled simultaneously. This home security camera offers a range of features and solid performance, making it a highly recommended choice. However, it's worth mentioning that to unlock the full potential of this camera, you will need one of Ring's subscription plans. Keep in mind that this camera may not be the best choice if you're heavily invested in Google Home or Apple HomeKit ecosystems. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.